Hello everyone. So today I will show you how to cut the background of any image. So we have this image of a Mustang. So now what I will do is just click on this image, and here I will click on settings. Then as you can see there are these two options, change and adjust. So we will go to adjust, and after clicking here this window opens. So here there are tons of other options for the us to create or edit the image. So we will not look at the other, but we will see just cut out. So if you click here, you can see we get this option. So now you just need to click here, auto cut. So now you can see it is showing remaining background. Yeah, it's done. So as you can see, it has been done in a good way. But sometimes what happens is it depends on the images. As now you can see, it has been done pretty well. But sometimes there are other images depending on the size or the texture or the pixels. It doesn't look well. It doesn't go well. So now for this image, if we have got this cleared with the background, now we will save this. And yeah, as you can see, the whole background is gone, and now it's just a strip background and the car, the Mustang, on the front looking. So now if we click and change the strip background to white, as you can see, it's changed a lot. It has changed the whole background. Now if we go to gray, as you can see, and some more other colors like a black, some blue, this color, again the sky blue. So we'll just go to back to white and close. So as you can see, we have done it. So now you can do whatever you want with that image, and you can easily design a strip. This type of images or this type of options works best if you have site or a web page which has most of the images in transparent background. So this option you can use on any of the images.